Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Settings and go directly to Touch ID and Passcode, then enter your device passcode when prompted. Once done, you'll see toggles for uses like iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store. You're changing the iTunes and App Store toggle, so make sure you're authenticated. This prevents accidental security gaps. Doing this first avoids digging through menus later and ensures the device accepts the removal request immediately. Now you'll disable Touch ID for purchases. Find the iTunes and App Store entry and flip its toggle off. When prompted, authenticate with your passcode to confirm the change. This tells the system to stop using biometric checks for downloads and purchases. Once toggled off, open the App Store and attempt a free download to confirm it asks for your Apple ID password. This verification ensures you didn't just change a related setting by mistake. Finish by testing a download. Try a free app and confirm the App Store asks for your Apple ID password. If it still accepts Touch ID, restart the device and recheck the toggle. Sometimes settings need a reboot to apply. If issues persist, remove and re-add Touch ID fingerprints or reset face/Touch ID data. This clears cached biometric links. One key troubleshooting tip. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in before resetting biometrics to avoid unintended sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.